Hello everyone and welcome to today's video.
Today is September 1st, 2023, and I say the date because the video that is going up tomorrow has a voiceover at the end where my voice sounds like this. And I wanted to make a video explaining why my voice sounded like this, and I thought that I would put it up for today's video since I did miss a day. So we'll get to that explanation in a second. So Sunday night, I went to bed with a runny nose, which wasn't really surprising because David and Linda have both had this weird cold-like virus. I don't really think it's a cold. It doesn't feel like a cold. So Sunday night, I went to bed with a runny nose. Monday morning, I woke up and still had a runny nose. Tuesday, I still had a runny nose. And then Wednesday, I woke up and I could barely talk. Or maybe that was Tuesday. I don't remember. One of those days, I woke up and I could barely talk. And Thursday, I could barely talk again. And I had to cancel all of the appointments that I had for that week because I sounded like this. And it was Wednesday where I didn't make a video. So, yeah, that is definitely the day that I completely lost my voice. I didn't even film a video and try to do a voiceover at a later date because I was like, if I try to do a voiceover, I'm going to forget what's in the video. So my voice sounds like this in the voiceover clip. I have been trying ever since then to get my voice back. My ear is all stopped up, my left ear. My throat hurts right here. And my nose is no longer runny. But every time I talk a lot, or I move a lot, or I lay down on my back or my stomach, I have that cough right here, and I'm going to leave it in so you guys can hear it. Normally I edit those out, but that was perfect timing. I have also been taking NyQuil, so if I seem kind of out of it in any of the video clips, that's why. Because without it, I will wake up coughing in the middle of the night continuously, and I will not go back to sleep. So, I'm making this video to let you know that I did miss a day, but it's genuinely because I had no voice. Like, by midnight, I was literally talking like this. I could not talk above this. So, I definitely could not have answered the phone. So my cousin has had to help me out a lot with phone calls and talking to people and running errands for me, because that would involve me talking to people, which I cannot do right now. So I am trying desperately to make videos for you because I know that you guys love them, but I also know when I edit these back that I sound like garbage and I don't want to hear myself, and I'm pretty sure you guys don't either. So I'm sorry that I'm sick again. I'm sick of being sick. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that. Maybe this will be the last time I'm sick. I'm hoping. And that's basically what I wanted to say. Linda took us to Sonic tonight and got our order wrong. So that was fun. Anyway, I wanted to make this video so that there was some sort of explanation as to why I can't talk. Because I didn't do that in the video that I made yesterday. And Rio is once again being Nurse Kitty and following me everywhere and cuddling with me and laying next to me. Willow is also doing her best to help out. She's laying next to my bed. She's laying on my feet, following me around, staying near the door so that when I call for her, she can hear me. Except for last night, she was down in the dog pen. But I think she knows that I don't have a voice, so she tries to stay nearby when she's outside. Anyway, gonna end this now. Subscribe if you're brand new. Ring that notification bell. Don't forget to share my video with anyone you think might enjoy it. Leave a comment for future videos if you have questions, ideas, suggestions, etc. Like my Facebook page. Follow me on Twitter. I'm still calling it Twitter. I don't care if Elon calls it X or Y or Z or Elon. I don't care. It's Twitter. Follow me on Labrie, which is also Odyssey. And I think that is all the links that I have. I don't remember. My email address can be found in the About section. Everything that I mentioned or have not mentioned can be found down in the description below or below the About section on my YouTube page. I keep all my links and everything down in the description of each video, so if you can't find something, go to the description of a video. See you tomorrow. Okay, bye. I can't sing. Why am I trying to sing? I can't sing on a good day, and now I really can't sing.